Hello everyone! Today I'm here with a new video on how I had painted this painting. Many of you have been asking me about how I drew this or what techniques I use to draw in the Instagram. Actually, I don't have any special techniques for drawing, but in this video I'll be sharing with you the basic steps I follow while painting. Here I am using Krita software for this painting. You can download it freely from its website. So let's get into the video. Step 1. Basic sketch or outline. The first step of any painting is the basic outline or sketch. You can either draw it on a paper and upload it to the software, or you can draw it in the software itself. Here I have already drawn it in the software. Step 2. Solid fill. Usually I prefer to start with a background color and then move on to other layers. Here in this painting there are mainly 4 layers. One for the hair, for the face, another for the body, and the next layer for the background. So there are totally 4 layers, and all the other layers are clipped into these main layers. Step 3. Painting facial features. The next step is painting the facial features such as eyes, nose, eyebrows, lips, ears, etc. Here, the eyes reflect the colors around the character. So, I have added some shades of blue and orange to the eyes, and for the highlights I have used white. You can use any reference image of portraits. You can find many references in Pinterest or Unsplash, Pixels, etc. Reference images helps us to make the paintings more realistic. I paint each section on different layers so that I can easily edit them later if needed. Step 4. Shadow and highlights. Shadows and highlights always help to provide depth to the painting. Here, I first start with shading with a slightly darker shade than the skin color which I have already provided, and then I go on increasing the darkness of the skin shade. Each shade is painted in separate layers, and all these layers are clipped to the main layer of the face. For the highlights, you can change the layer blend mode to color dodge or add to give a more glow effect. Step 5. Painting hair. For painting hair, I start with the darkest color and then move on to lighter shades for the highlights. As I move on to the lighter shades, I decrease the size of the brush stroke so that the hair gets finer and finer. You can also add individual hair strands to make it more realistic. In this painting, I have also added blue and orange highlights for the hair. The last step is adding details such as clothes, backgrounds, and other elements. You can always add some special element to the painting to make the painting more beautiful. Here in this painting, I have used 2 birds as an additional feature of the painting. I have already uploaded a video of painting these birds. If you would like to check it out, I will provide the link to it in the description. So these are the basic steps I follow while painting. I hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel so that you get all the latest videos that I upload. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.